Hi friends, I am going to be doing a demo today on how to make motif number 34 out of this legendary Irish crochet book. The pattern looks something like this. We're going to be using a 3.5mm crochet hook to make the motif. It is made using padding cord. I'm using this bright orange colour padding cord just so that you can see what I'm doing. Ideally your padding cord and your overlay yarn should be the same colour. The piece looks something like this. It is a pretty little flower completed in 3 rows. Before we get started, please like this video and please comment down below on what you are using your motif for. And liking my video just helps other crocheters find my videos. Let's get into it. So to start off with, we're going to go ahead, secure our yarn. I tend to just twist my yarn like this. We're going to go ahead and chain 4. 2, 3, 4. Slip stitch or single crochet into the first chain space like that. Now we're going to do a single crochet and then we're going to chain 3 and slip stitch back into these 2 loops to make a picot stitch like that. We're going to do a single crochet, going to do another single crochet. We're going to chain 3 again, make another picot stitch like that. So we need 12 single crochets in total and 6 picot stitches. So every other single crochet we're going to drop a picot stitch. So I've got a single crochet there, do another single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, 2 single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, 2 single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need one more. So I'm going to do a single crochet, a single crochet, a chain 3, picot stitch, and 1 single crochet in between, like that. I am just going to single crochet into that first stitch that I started on, just to get into the middle there like that. I am very mindful that I've got a hair flying around here somewhere. I've got really thick long hair and I crochet my hair into all of my projects. Apologies. Now we're going to go ahead and connect our padding cord. How I connect my padding cord is just by taking it like this, slip my crochet hook through it, and I'm just going to chain 1 to secure it. My padding cord normally stays on the inside of my hand. My primary yarn stays on the outside of my hand. That's just the way that I control it. We are now going to single crochet 8 around this padding cord. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to slip stitch in between the 2 picot stitches that we made. Don't forget your padding cord. So I've just tucked it in at the back there, and I'm just going to slip stitch around it like that. So your piece should be looking a little bit like this. We are going to place 6 petals on this piece. I will do another one with you before I speed up and show you what the final result looks like. So 8 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slip stitch. Like that. So I am just going to go ahead speed the rest of the video up, and I'm going to show you what the final result looks like. This is what our final piece looks like. It's a pretty little flower. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like, comment and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to, but it means the world to me. When you finish with your piece, you're going to go ahead and snip these two pieces of yarn, your padding cord and your primary yarn, and then you're going to grab a darning needle, tie a knot, weave it through. I'm not going to show you how to do that because I'm making this piece just for demo purposes and I don't want to waste any yarn. But thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Bye bye.